Hi, hello, welcome family. In this video let's take a look at the structure and function of Oral N Pro. Come on, watch this video. Elevate your dental care with the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush is a pinnacle of dental innovation, designed to revolutionize your oral hygiene routine. Packed with advanced features, this toothbrush offers a comprehensive approach to dental care, ensuring a thorough clean with every use. Let's delve into its myriad features and explore how each one contributes to optimal oral health. Oscillating rotating technology. At the heart of the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush lies its oscillating rotating technology. This advanced mechanism mimics the motion of professional dental tools, oscillating and rotating to break up plaque and gently sweep it away from the tooth surface and gum line. This dual-action movement ensures a deep and effective clean, reaching areas that manual brushing may miss. Cross-action bristle design. The cross-action bristle design is engineered to surround each tooth for a superior clean. The angled bristles are precisely positioned to reach deep between teeth and along the gum line, dislodging plaque and debris with ease. This unique design ensures thorough coverage and maximizes the removal of plaque for a truly refreshing clean feeling. Pressure sensor technology. Overzealous brushing can lead to enamel erosion and gum recession. To prevent this, the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush is equipped with pressure sensor technology. This innovative feature detects when you're applying too much pressure while brushing and alerts you to ease off with a gentle pulsation. By promoting gentle brushing habits, the pressure sensor helps safeguard your dental health and prevents unnecessary damage. Multiple cleaning modes. Recognizing that different individuals have unique oral care needs, the Oral-B Pro Expert offers multiple cleaning modes to cater to diverse preferences. Whether you seek a deep clean, sensitive care, or gum massage, this toothbrush has you covered. Simply select the desired mode with the push of a button and experience a personalized brushing experience tailored to your needs. Built-in timer and quad pacer. Consistency is key to maintaining optimal oral health. The built-in timer and quad pacer function of the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush ensure that you brush for the recommended 2 minutes and evenly distribute your brushing time across all quadrants of your mouth. This intelligent feature helps you establish a disciplined brushing routine, enhancing the effectiveness of your oral care regimen. Bluetooth connectivity and smart coaching. Embracing the digital age, the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush boasts Bluetooth connectivity, allowing it to sync with the Oral-B app on your smartphone. Through the app, you gain access to personalized oral care insights and real-time feedback on your brushing habits. With smart coaching technology, you can track your progress, set goals, and receive tailored recommendations for improving your brushing technique, empowering you to take control of your dental health like never before. Long-lasting rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. The Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush features a long-lasting rechargeable battery that provides weeks of uninterrupted use on a single charge. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can trust your toothbrush to deliver consistent performance. Ensuring that your oral hygiene routine remains uninterrupted. Compact and ergonomic design. Comfort is paramount when it comes to oral care tools. The Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush is ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. Its sleek and compact design fits comfortably in the hand, allowing for precise control and maneuverability during brushing. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive operation, this toothbrush is a pleasure to use, making dental care a hassle-free experience. Compatibility with Oral-B brush heads. Versatility is a hallmark of the Oral-B Pro Expert Electric Toothbrush. It is compatible with a wide range of Oral-B brush heads, allowing you to customize your brushing experience to suit your preferences and specific dental needs. Whether you prefer a soft bristle for sensitive gums or a precision brush for targeted cleaning, there's a compatible brush head for every requirement, ensuring a tailored and effective clean every time. Water-resistant construction. Designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, the Oral-B Pro Expert electric toothbrush features a water-resistant construction that allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. Whether you're rinsing it under the tap or using it in the shower, you can trust that your toothbrush will remain in pristine condition, ready to deliver exceptional performance whenever you need it. In conclusion, the Oral-B Pro Expert electric toothbrush represents the pinnacle of dental innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with user-centric design to deliver a superior brushing experience. From its oscillating rotating action to its smart connectivity features, every aspect of this toothbrush is meticulously engineered to promote optimal oral health. Elevate your dental care routine with the Oral-B Pro Expert electric toothbrush and experience the difference it can make in your smile. Like,